Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your ringtone on your iPhone. And this is easy to do. Let's go to settings right here. And then we can go back to the main settings menu and scroll on down and go to sound and haptics. Then scroll on down under here and go to where it says ringtone. Otherwise you have text tone, new voicemail, sent mail, etc. So let's go to ringtone. And we can scroll on down under this list. And here's all the different ringtones we have. We can just play one and select it, and we can continue to scroll on down under this list. So you can pick the one you like, and there is a ringtone store. If we go up at the top, we can go to download all purchase tones, but we can go to Tone Shop, and it'll bring us to the Apple Store where we can pretty much buy ringtones, and it looks like some of these are like $1.29 or something like that. And you can go through the different list here, ringtones, 90s ringtones, etc. So if you really want to buy them on here. Otherwise, you can search for specific ringtones apps on the Apple Store and see if you can find something. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSixTech.